Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn Amazon with Umer, where we help you master the world of Amazon FBA step by step. Today we're talking about something super important, avoiding the most common mistakes that beginners make when starting their Amazon FBA journey. These mistakes can cost you time, money, and a lot of frustration, but don't worry, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to watch out for and how to set yourself up for success. Let's dive in. Number 1. Poor product research. One of the biggest mistakes is rushing into product research. Choosing a product without checking demand, competition, or profit margins is a recipe for failure. For example, a beginner might choose a product they like personally, like custom phone cases, but find out later the market is oversaturated. Selling generic products that fail to stand out in the marketplace, using low-quality packaging or unappealing branding, not addressing customer needs or improving on existing product pain points. Number 2. Neglecting listing optimization. Your product listing is your sales pitch. Mistakes like bad photos, poor descriptions, or missing keywords can mean the difference between a bestseller and a product that sits on the shelf. Number 3. Overstocking or understocking inventory. Mismanaging inventory can lead to two big problems. Overstocking ties up your capital and high storage fees, while understocking can lead to lost sales and lower rankings. Number 4. Ignoring Amazon's rules. Amazon has strict policies, and ignoring them can lead to account suspension. For instance, using fake reviews or listing restricted products can get you in big trouble. Number 5. Underestimating startup costs. Not accounting for costs like inventory, shipping, Amazon fees, PPC campaigns, and product photography. Launching with insufficient capital, which can lead to stockouts or cutting corners on quality. Number 6. Neglecting marketing and reviews. Relying solely on organic traffic and not investing in Amazon PPC or external traffic. Not actively encouraging customer reviews or handling negative feedback. Now that we know the mistakes, let's talk about how to avoid them. Number 1. For product research, use tools like Helium 10, Jungle Scout, or Keeper to analyze demand, competition, and profit margins before committing to a product. Invest in creating a unique selling proposition, professional branding, and premium packaging to add perceived value. Number 2. Optimize your listings with high-quality images, clear descriptions, and the right keywords. Tools like AMZ Scout can help you find the best keywords. Number 3. Track your inventory using Amazon's inventory reports or third-party tools like Restock Pro or Sellerboard to avoid overstocking or understocking. Number 4. Familiarize yourself with Amazon's rules and guidelines. A little time spent reading now can save you a lot of headaches later. Number 5. Create a detailed budget that includes all your expenses. Use profit calculators to ensure you're pricing your products correctly. Budget carefully and ensure you have enough cash flow for at least 3 months of inventory and advertising. Number 6. Run strategic ad campaigns, utilize social media, and implement automated email sequences via Amazon's buyer-seller messaging to collect genuine reviews. Most importantly, listen and act on customer reviews. Mistakes are part of the learning process, but by staying informed and prepared, you can avoid the most common pitfalls. If you found this helpful, check out our playlist for beginners, where we cover everything from product research to launching your first product. To wrap up, here are the key points. Do thorough product research, optimize your listings, manage your inventory wisely, follow Amazon's rules, and plan your finances carefully. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your Amazon FBA business. And don't forget to comment below with your biggest takeaway. See you in the next video.